All right, class. Excuse me. Are you shopping at Target during my Zoom call?
My mom needed to grab some adult diapers.
No.
Sorry.
No, I don't care what your mom had to do. That's unacceptable.
What are you looking at?
You need to go home,
Yeah,
please.
sorry.
Thank you. And you, I don't know why you're eating these weird food combination, but this needs to stop.
It's ranch and Oreos. It's good.
You know what? Put it down. I'm gonna call the principal, actually.
Why?
Okay. And you, I don't know why your camera is off, but you... You need to get checked out for that. That does not sound good. That does not sound good at all.